Welcome to Die Management Software, brought to you by Dynamic MIS Software. Our Die Management module is just one piece of our software toolbox that offers many cost, time-saving features to print finishers, trade binderies, die makers, and other users of dies and foils. The Die Management program can also be used with the Dynamic MIS Software fully integrated estimating, management information, and e-commerce system designed specifically for print finishers, trade binderies, and die makers. Although there are many features and benefits of the Dynamic Die Management system, the main cost and time-saving benefits are: 1. Ability to easily track and find dies, resulting in thousands of dollars of savings because dies that already exist are not remade. 2. Tracking the die's use ensures that we are aware of the number of impressions recorded against the die, and resharpening can be done before the job starts, thereby avoiding costly stoppages during the production run. Documentation of die disposal avoids costly searches or recreation of die because proof of die disposal is not available. Let's explore these features and benefits of the Dynamic Die Management software system. The Dynamic Die Management software allows you to enter a great deal of information against each die, including a die line image that can be generated from several third-party CAD/CAM systems. A larger image of the die line can be viewed very easily. The die also records information on last usage, disposal information, and impressions, including impressions on the last job, impressions since the last sharpening, and total impressions on this die. Now let's say we want to know if we have a die in our inventory for a specific job. We simply click on the selection and it allows us many options in order to find dies. In this particular case, let's say we are looking for a die that has a finished length between 6 and 6.5 inches and a finished width between 9 and 9.5 inches. By clicking on OK, the software will find any dies that meet that criteria. Once you find the die you require, you can check the impressions to ensure that a sharpening is not required before starting the production run. Once you find the die you require, you can also look at the storage area. But how do we know it is there? Dynamic forces proper removal and return procedures for all dies. First, all dies have a barcode for easy tracking. When an employee requires a die, they must use the takeout procedure, assign the job number to the die, tell which employee is using the die, which press it is being used on, and the software will record the date and the time that the die is removed from the inventory. Once the employee is finished with the die, they must go through the putback procedure. They must enter their employee name. The software records the date and the time. They must enter the number of impressions, whether they sharpen the die during this process, and where they put the die back. Once that is done, the impression information is updated and the last use information is also updated. If I want to see a history of this die, I can simply click on the History button and the system will automatically generate all usages of that die. If we decide to dispose of this die, I can simply click on the Dispose button, type in why I got rid of it, sent back to customer, the employee responsible for disposing of the die, and again the software date and time stamps the transaction. An email message is automatically generated to anybody who has been selected as a contact for die disposal. This has been a demo of the Dynamic Software Die Management program. It provides tremendous savings by accessing dies that already exist, avoids production delays, and organizes dies for easy reference. If you would like more information on this standalone software tool or information on any other software tools or the Dynamic Integrated Software System from Dynamic MIS Software, then please check out our website at www.dynamicmis.com or call us at 1-800-461-8114. Thank you.